Hi guys, Dr. Mandy here from Chiropractic, and this week I want to talk about why you should see a chiropractor throughout your pregnancy. So typically what we see when patients present to our office that are pregnant is they're having some sort of pain, stiffness, typically in their lower back or front of their pelvic region that they want to be resolved throughout their pregnancy. One thing I saw this week with a new patient who was pregnant was that she had previously told her OB that she was having pain, and her OB just kind of said, it's typical at this point in your pregnancy that you have the pain. While yes, that's true because your body's starting to compensate for pregnancy and your increased belly and everything like that, it doesn't have to have pain. We can deal with the pain here. So that's one thing we concentrate on, is not only decreasing your pain, decreasing your stiffness, we also teach you how to do things at home to kind of help your body mechanics overall as far as exercises, stretches, how to kind of accommodate whether it's holding your children that you have, cleaning house as you're going to start nesting, those type of things. So we try and help you decrease your pain so that your pregnancy is a lot more fluid and easy for you. Another thing that we do is we help prepare your body for birth. So I do have some pregnant patients that come in with honestly no issues, no pain, no stiffness. They just want their body to be in the best shape it can be for their birth. So typically we have patients that come in with no pain. We kind of follow along with honestly your OB schedule. So your first 2 trimesters, you're about once a month, and then we start to increase frequency as we get closer to your due date because your belly's gonna pop a lot more, baby's gonna drop in the pelvis. That last month especially, a lot of big changes happen to your body, so we want to make sure your joints are moving properly, your muscles are not tight, your ligaments aren't tight, to make sure when it comes time to birth, everything opens up nicely. So one thing I like to say with this is not only can we help prepare your body for labor, but we can also possibly decrease your labor time. For instance, recently I've had 4 of my moms that went into labor. First one, this is her second child. Her first labor was about 40 hours, very long, very tedious, very tiring on her body. This labor, she was under 8 hours, only pushed for about 45 minutes, and baby was here. I've had 3 first-time moms, which, first time they typically tell you your labor can be a little bit longer as your body's not used to it. But for these 3 first-time moms, all their labors were under 8 hours, pushed for under an hour. One of them pushed once, baby was here. One of them's labor under 2 hours. Along with helping prepare your body for labor, we can possibly decrease your labor time overall. The last reason that you should see a chiropractor throughout your pregnancy is because of breech baby presentation. So we don't turn your baby, that's nothing we do. We don't touch your baby, we don't do anything with your baby. Instead, we get your body in the optimum position for baby to have enough room to want to turn on their own. We also give you some tips and tricks to do at home, whether it's helping using ice, going to spinningbabies.com, which is a great website overall throughout your pregnancy, doing the inversions that are on there. We kind of do a lot of things as far as helping with the breech baby presentation. Now with this, the sooner that you come in when you know your baby is breech, the easier it is for us. I've had patients come in that are doing a couple days in their baby's breech. A little harder for me to get things moving as far as your body goes in order for baby to want to turn. So the quicker you can come in when you know that you have that breech presentation and you're wanting a natural vaginal birth, the better for you. So if you have any questions at all regarding how we treat patients during pregnancy, any exercises, stretches you can do, anything along those lines, give our office a call here. Thank you.